A fire hose is only as good as the nozzle it feeds. In a fire emergency, the hose transports media, while the nozzle controls the pressure and spray pattern. Let's take a look at the different fire hose nozzle spray patterns and their uses in a fire emergency. There are two types of spray patterns that are common for fire hose nozzles: straight stream and fog. Water from a straight stream nozzle is discharged in the shape of a condensed column. This creates a high pressure beam of water that allows firefighters to engage the fire at a greater distance with more accuracy. The straight beam gives water enough power to penetrate the fire and attack its source. It is not effective at ventilating space or absorbing heat. Water expelled in a fog spray pattern is released in a large cone-shaped stream of water droplets. The droplets are easily converted into steam, which helps take the hot air out of a room. Fog spray patterns are effective for fire suppression during a fire's initial growth phase. The steam generated helps cool airborne gases and reduces the temperature of the targeted area, preventing further fire growth or flashover. Additionally, fog can aid in ventilation by pushing out smoke, though this must be done cautiously to avoid spreading hot chemicals or exacerbating the fire. Dixon offers a variety of basic, constant gallonage, and select gallonage fire hose nozzles with straight and fog streams. Visit our website to see our full offering. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please contact us at dixonvalve.com. Be sure to like this video and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.